Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota LandCruiser Prado. It has the 2UZ FE 4.7 liter V8 cylinder gasoline engine, gasoline timing chain engine. It comes with an automatic transmission. It also has 88,293 original miles. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They do also go away. All right, as y'all can see, this vehicle does come in kilometers. The number that y'all are seeing right there, 142,094. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 88,293. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate it. It does really mean a lot to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.